Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk through the updated steps on how to clear your messages in WhatsApp. Clearing your chats helps to minimize clutter, free up space, improve app performance, and keep your conversations organized. It's a simple way to maintain your digital life without losing the chat thread. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the specific chat, whether it's a personal conversation or a group, that you want to clear. Once you're in the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to open a menu. In the menu that appears, tap More. This will reveal additional options. From the More options, select Clear Chat. A prompt will then ask if you want to delete media from the device gallery by checking or unchecking the option. This means you can choose whether or not to remove the photos, videos, and audio files from the chat from your phone's storage. Finally, tap Clear Chat to confirm your decision. This action will remove all the messages within the chat conversation, but the chat itself will remain visible in your Chats tab. This means you can still see the contact or group name in your WhatsApp, but the message history will be gone. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the messages from your WhatsApp chat. This process is reversible if your chat history was included in a backup. Remember that clearing a chat only affects your view. It doesn't delete the messages for other participants in the chat. If you want to permanently remove a conversation, you can delete the chat instead. To do this, go to your chat list, long press on the chat you wish to eliminate, and tap the Delete icon. Keep in mind that deleting a chat will remove it entirely from your WhatsApp, and if you chat with that contact again, a new thread will be created. We hope you found this updated guide helpful. Now you can keep your WhatsApp tidy and organized with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.